Guys, please confirm to me. All of you get my voice on screen. Guys, please confirm to me. All of you get my voice on screen. Guys, please check it. All of you get my voice on screen. Those are attending in online. Guys, please confirm to me. All of you get my voice on screen. Those are attending in online. Yeah, Mahesh, what's your doubt there? Please type the message, no? Okay, Mahesh, right? Basic Java. Yeah, this is core Java class. In basic Java, core Java, advanced Java, Oracle, UI technologies. These four courses are included in basic Java. Part of that basic Java, this is core Java. So core Java is available in basic Java package, complete Java package, and full stack Java package. So now core Java, now we started in the sense it will be there in all four packages, three packages. So any package you can take. Now this is a core Java class, right? Right. Yeah, then you must attend for both the sessions. This 4:30 to 6 o'clock, only few concepts are going on, but oops onwards, we have to attend the course at 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock class also we have to attend. Core Java, then introduction part, steps to prepare first application. Then after that, next one is like what the language fundamentals. These three topics are going on here at 4:30 to 6. Oops onwards, 6 o'clock we have to attend. Yeah, then daily videos are might be for the registered members. Daily videos are coming there. Then in the case if you are not receiving the videos, if you already registered for the course, but still if you are not getting videos there, just do one thing. Just WhatsApp to this number and WhatsApp your pay receipt to this number, so that you are able to get all videos. Then whatever the transactions you have done there, try to share that transactions to this number, WhatsApp to this number, so that you are able to get. Okay, Narayanamma, right? Check this. Yeah, it's compulsory, Mahesh. 6 o'clock class is mandatory. Maybe just a few classes are going to be taken at 4:30, but majority of the classes I'm going to take at 6 o'clock. Yeah, right from demo classes, I'm giving that information. Please check that. Okay, right. No, okay, right. Right. Good afternoon, guys. And check it what we completed in the last session. I think so. The total compilation part we understand, compilation process here we understand that. In that compilation process, what we completed there, how compilation is going on. I shown already one diagram there. Apart from that internal flow of execution, then different approaches of compilation we started. What are the different approaches of compilation? Here we started there. All right, sir. Few points here I'm giving their clarity. Then what are the few points now? Observe carefully. If you want to compile Java file from current location, what is that current location there? D:/Java 430. And if you want to send the generated dot class files to a particular target location, that is E:/ABC, then we have to use the -d option along with the Java C command. Okay, that's the point here. Next one is syntax is like what that Java C -d target location file name dot Java. Leave this one. Example already shown that in the document already given this content here. Next one after that. In the Java file, if you provide a package statement, then we have to compile the Java file with a -d option in order to generate folder structure with respect to the package name. All right, there also I shown some program there, then I shown output for that. That's okay, fine. Next one is here we have given a question. What was the question here are given there? Is it possible to compile more than one Java file by using a single Java C command? Yes, it is possible to compile more than one Java file by using a single Java C command with the following cases. What are the cases here? Case 1, Java C space file1.java space file2.java space file3.java and so on. Okay. Now I want to show all these cases one by one programmatically. I want to show all these cases programmatically. Now try to understand this clearly, what I am telling to you now. All right, sir. Now observe carefully. Now let me open Edit Plus. Right, sir. Now again, I want to prepare multiple Java files. All right, sir. Multiple Java files. And before that, we have a question there. If you don't want to go to the target location, will it create package folder structure in the same folder? Yes, of course. Along with -d, in place of target folder, we have to provide what their dot. Dot is representing what their current location. In the current location there, we are able to get it. Okay. Then whenever we want to create a folder structure target location, instead of specifying the target location, if we put a dot there, automatically the total folder structure will be created in the same current location. Right. Now see this one. Now file new Java. File new Java. There inside this, just I want to take for example class employee names. That's a Java class here we prepared. Let me save this. In the same location, our location here we are having our location there, Java 430. There only I want to keep that. Now this is like what there employee names.java, for example. This is one file. Next one is after that file new Java. Now here I want to provide like what there employee emails.java. Employee emails.java at 430, then employee emails.java. Okay, employee emails.java. Next one is I want to take new Java. That's it. Employee mobile. Okay, employee email and employee address.java. Employee address.java. Like this I have taken. These are somewhat related with what their employee email, employee names, employee address.java. 3 Java files here I have taken. Okay. All right, sir. Now few more Java files here I want to prepare. Now try to understand this. File new Java. Now this time I want to prepare. This is like what there student names.java. Student names.java. This is one file. File new Java. Now here student address.java, student address.java. All right, next one is, now I'll take like what there, student emails dot java, student emails dot java. Right. Then after that, another one is like what I'm telling there. In place of this employee, now this time I want to take like what there, customer names dot java, customer names dot java. All right, sir. Next one is after that, customer mails, customer mails. All right, sir. Now get the name is like what there, customer mails dot java. Right, another class. Now this time customer address dot java, multiple Java files. Customer address dot java. Okay, now observe carefully. Overall, how many Java files can we created? No, 9 Java files can we created. Employee names dot java, employee emails dot java, employee address dot java, student names dot java, student address dot java, student mails dot java, customer names, customer mails, and customer address dot java. One more. Now here I want to specify employee account details, account details dot java. Next, another one, customer account details, customer account details dot java, customer account details dot java. Similarly, last file, one more file. All right, so now this is like what the student account details, student account details dot java, student account details dot java. Observe carefully, then what I am giving clarity there, student account details dot java. So overall, so these many dot java files I created. Overall, how many Java files I created there? Nearly 12 number of Java files I created. So here, what I'm trying to show there, just I want to show how many dot class files are going to be created. That means how to compile more than one Java file by using a single JavaC command. That is the requirement here we want to implement. Right, now let us see this one here. Let me go with D colon CD space Java 430. If I open dir, see this, how many Java files are available. There we can understand there. Customer account details, customer address, customer mails, customer names, employee account details, employee address, and employee emails and employee names. Student account details, student address, then what next one here? Student emails and student names. Right. Now these are overall 12 number of Java files that we created clearly. Leave this one. After completion of this 12 number of Java files there, what next one here we have to do there after completion of this? Try to understand now. Right, sir. what I said there as a first option, is it possible to compile more than one Java file by using single Java command or not? Java C command. Case number one. What is the syntax here I given there? Java C space file1 dot Java space file2 dot Java space file3 dot Java. Right clear? Now let's see this one. Java C space here what we have to provide there. I want to give one file. What files can I want to provide there? Say for example, employee names dot Java space. Of course, I can go for like what there customer address dot Java space. Another one here I'm going to provide. And then what is this another one again? Customer address dot Java. That's okay. Apart from this customer address dot Java, now I want to go for like what there student emails dot Java. Check this. How many Java files we are trying to compile? No, 3 Java files. Click on enter button. What we are getting there successfully compiled. Now let us see this one. All these Java files are compiled or not successfully. Now tell me what are the Java files now? Employee names dot Java. First let us check for employee names dot class file is generated or not. Employee names dot class. Okay. Next one is a customer address dot Java. Customer address dot Java. Let us check for what their customer address dot Java dot class. Customer address dot class file is created or not. Right, sir. Then what next one here after this no student emails dot Java. Then what we required here student emails dot class. Student email dot class. These are the various dot class files here we are getting. Got it or not? All right, sir. So this is option number one I shown clearly. All of you are getting it now. Option number one here I shown then. So this is completed. More than one Java file, how we are able to compile? This is an option that we completed then. That's okay. Leave this one. Now again, I want to delete star dot class. Dot class files here I want to delete. All right, so dir only Java files are existed now. Totally, what files are available there? Dot Java files are existed. Now this time, what is that another option here we are getting there? Case number two. Instead of specifying the file names there, all files which are available at current location, if you want to compile, there we have to use what there? Java C space star dot Java. Java C space what there? Star dot Java that we are going to provide. All Java files we want to compile. All right, now let's see this one. Java C space star dot Java. Java C space what next one? Star dot Java. Click on enter button there. Right, all Java files here we compiled now. Let's see this one whether all the dot class files are available or not. dir. For every Java file, a separate dot class file is created. For every Java file, a separate dot class file is created. See this one, customer account details dot class, customer address dot class, customer mails dot class, customer names dot class. Similarly, employee related dot class files, employee account details dot class, employee address dot class, employee email dot class, employee names dot class, like this. Next one is what there? Student account details dot class, student address dot class, student mails dot class, student names dot class. For every Java file, a separate dot class file is created or not? Now this is star dot Java. Every Java file is compiled. Leave this one again. After that, now I want to delete star dot class. All the dot class files I'm going to delete now. All right, leave this one. dir only Java files are available now. All dot class files are deleted there. All right. Now what is that next option there? Now tell me. Third option, Java C space employee star dot Java. What is the meaning of this employee star dot Java? Understand this clearly. It's able to compile all Java files which are started with employee and ends with and end with what there anything. Started with the file name must be started with what there employee, but star is representing what there anything, any name. That means employee account details, employee names, and employee emails and employee address. These four .java files here only be compiled here. Now let me check this clearly. All right, so now again I want to use the same thing. Here no dot class file is available as of now. Java C space employee star dot Java. Employee Java C space employee star dot Java. Click on enter button. Now compiled successfully. Now let us see this dot class files. No. All right, sir. Employee related things only here we provided here. Now try to understand this. Employee account details dot class is created. Employee address dot class file. Employee email dot class. Employee names dot class. But student related dot class files are not available. And customer details, customer related dot class files are not available. So as per this Java C command, whatever the command we provided, as per that only employee related dot class files are compiled. Now observe carefully. Leave this one. Then after that, now okay, I want to delete again star dot class. Star dot class. Leave this one. Okay, deleted. After that, now what is this? Another case here we are understanding there. Java C space star address dot Java. Star address dot Java in the sense it is able to compile all Java files which is started with anything. Star is representing what there any name. Maybe student address dot Java, employee address dot Java, customer address dot Java, any name, but ended with what their address. Ended with what their address. Only these Java files here we want to compile. That's my requirement here now. So further purpose here we have to use the command like what there. As of now, dir no dot class file is available here as of now. Now let's check this one clearly. Java C space star address dot Java. What we are providing is star address dot Java. Java C space star address dot Java. All right. Observe carefully. Java C space star address dot Java. Now dir. Now observe carefully. Address all Java files which are ended with the address kernel. Now see this one here. We are getting this customer address dot class. Next one is what there employee address dot class. Then what next one here student address dot class. Got or not? So prefixed with a common word we completed. Suffixed with a common word we completed here. No, that's okay. These things here we completed. Now delete. I want to delete all the star dot class. All right. So now class star dot class. All right. Next one is after that, after completion of this. Now observe carefully. Another one again. Of course, now here if you open dir, no dot class file is available. I deleted all of them. Next, let's come for the next one. Java C space star account star dot Java. That means all Java files I want to compile. All Java files we want to compile, which includes account. That account may be startup one, account may be ended one, or account may be in the middle, wherever it may be. If the Java file name contains account, Java file name contains account, then we want to compile that Java file. That's the requirement. Then now see this one here, what we are able to do for this. Java C star space star account star dot Java. Java C space star account star dot Java. This is what we provided here. Now here open this one. What dot class files here we are getting there? First of all, customer account details dot class. The account is included, so here we are getting it. Next one, employee account details dot class. So account is included here. Then after that, student account details dot class. There also be account is included here. So these many dot class files here we are getting clearly. Right. Now leave this one here. After that, after understanding all these points here, then what we understood there, these are the things here we completed there. We can understand now. Right. So by this total compilation process is completed. Total compilation part we understood there. Different approaches of compilation. All the things here we completed there now. Got it clear? Right. Now, after completion of this compilation, the total content here in steps to prepare first application. Next one is what their execution process. Next one is what their execution. After understanding the compilation, execution here now. So the next one is like what I'm telling to you. Execute Java application. Right. Execute Java application. Execute Java application. Right, sir. Now observe carefully how we are going to execute the Java program. This is completed. Compilation part is completed. Just leave this one. Remaining part is executing the Java program. All right, sir. How we are able to execute the Java program there? Very simple. To execute Java application or program, first go to the location where main class dot class file is existed, right sir, is existed. Execute the Java application. To execute a Java application or program, simply speaking program, first open the command prompt, and go to the location where the main class dot class file exists. Okay, there use the following command. Go to the location where main class dot class file is existed. There use the following command. What's that command here? Java space main class name. Java space main class name. As per the examples we have seen so far, my assume it, my main class dot class file is available where d:// Java 430 location. d:// Java 430 location, where inside this, come inside the class. Bhargav. Let it go. All right, now see this one. d:// Java 430. There we have to use what is it? Java space test. Test is our main class that we know already. d:// Java 430 Java space test. Right, so now this is exactly the command here we have to use now. All right, then what is going to be happen if we use this type of command? What will happen? That we are going to understand clearly. All right, now let's understand this. Already we have a diagram for it. Java compilation parts internally here we understood there. Compilation internals. All right, so now as per this diagram here, what I am telling to you, observe carefully. In d:// Java 430, their tester.java is provided there. We compiled it. Assume it tester.class file is available at the same current location. So then we have to go for the command prompt. In the command prompt, what we have to do there? d:// Java 430 location. Here we have to provide. In this location, here what we have to do there? We need to provide the command. What is the command here? We have to provide there Java space. Then we have to provide what their main class name. What is our main class name here? No, test is the main class name. There we have to write what their test. Observe carefully. Now everybody understand this now. All right, sir. Now when we use this command and command prompt, Java space test and command prompt, first operating system will take this command. Operating system will take this command, Java command. As usual, operating system will search for Java command in its internal commands list. If it is not available, then operating system will search for Java command at the locations referred by path environment variable. First, operating system will go to the first location, second location, and search for Java command. Not available. Then operating system will go to what their third location. What is this third location? Can know c:/java/jdk 1.8.0/bin. Then where Java command is available or not available? As Java command is existed or not existed? As Java command is existed. At c:/java jdk 1.8.0 Java command is existed. When Java command is identified by the operating system will execute Java command on command prompt. Operating system will execute the Java command. By the execution of the Java command, automatically JVM software will be activated. By the execution of Java command, automatically JVM software will be activated. Which software will be activated there? JVM software will be activated. Now JVM will come into the picture. JVM will come to the picture, JVM will come to the command prompt, JVM will take the main class name, what we have specified along with the Java command. What's the main class name? It was provided there, tester. Test is the main class name. Observe carefully. Now, how execution is going on, I'm telling to you. JVM will take main class name from command prompt, where JVM will search for tester.class file at 3 locations. What are the 3 locations there? Location number 1, at the current location from where we are executing our Java program. That is what there, d:/Java 430 from current location, point number 1. Second one is what there, at the locations referred by, okay, at the Java predefined library location. What is the second location there? Java predefined library location. And the third one is at the locations referred by class path environment variable. At the locations referred by class path environment variable. Observe carefully. Come again. When we provide Java space test and command prompt, operating system will take this Java command. Operating system will search for Java command in its internal commands list and at the locations referred by path environment variable. Where at the path environment variable referred locations, it will go to the C:/Java JDK 1.8.0/bin. There it will go there. There it will search for Java. There Java is available or not? Yes, it is available. Then immediately operating system will execute the Java command. By the execution of the Java command, automatically JVM software will be activated. Now JVM software will come to the command prompt. In the command prompt, JVM software will take the provided tester class, that means main class. Whatever the main class name is specified on command prompt, no, right? JVM will take the main class name, that is test. JVM will search for this main class dot class file at 3 locations. What are the 3 locations? No, first one is at current location from where we are executing our Java application. And the second one is what there, at Java predefined library. Second one is what there, at Java predefined library. Third one is what there, at the locations referred by class path environment variable. At the locations referred by what there, class path environment variable. Yes, sir. All of you are getting it or not? At the locations referred by class path environment variable. Right, 2 cases are available here. Case number 1, if a tested.class file is not available at all 3 locations. If a tested.class file is not available at all 3 locations, then immediately operating system, that means JVM, will provide an exception on command prompt. JVM will provide an exception on command prompt. What it able to provide the exception here? No, up to Java 6 version, we are able to get an exception like what there, java.lang. No class def found error :test. This message here we are able to get, this exception we are able to get up to which version of the Java there? Java 6 version. Sir, all of you are getting clarity or not? Next one is, all right, sir. Next one is right from Java 7 version. In Java 7 version, what we are able to get there from Java 7 version? No, there is a message like what there, error : could not find or load main class test. Main class test. That's it. This message here we are able to get. Everybody understand my point here? Could not load, could not find or load main class test right from Java 7 version onwards. Up to Java 6 version, java.lang. No class def found error : test. Right from Java 7 version onwards, right, error : could not find or load main class test. That we are getting there now. Yes, sir, got it or not? For example, assume the situation, guys. Assume my tested.class file is not available here. For example, assume it's not available here. By using -d option, I compiled my Java file. I sent the Java file to .class files to some other location. I sent .class file to what there? Some other location. What is that location there? Observe carefully. Here the location is what there? E:/ABC location. In this location, my tested.class file is existed. In this location, what we are having there? Now observe carefully. Test.class file. Here we are getting it clearly. So now tell me, all of you know, where is my tester.class file? Where is my tester.class file? It is available under E:/ABC location. Clear or not? Okay, but where JVM is searching for test.class file in general, JVM is searching for test.class file from current location and at Java predefined library, and the locations referred by class path environment variable. But in all three locations, test.class file is not available. But where it is available, at a different location it is available. Am I right or not? Yes, whenever it is available at a different location, then we have to give that location information to the JVM. We have to give that location information to the JVM. Now the tester.class file is available in this particular location. Don't search for it at any other location. So in this location only, the tester.class file is available. Now search for it in this particular location. Like this, we have to give that location information to the JVM. To give this location information to the JVM, what we are able to do there, directly we have to set a class path environment variable to that location now. We have to set what there, class path environment variable location to the respective location here now. So d:/java 430. Now here, what we have to write there, set, the command is like what now? Now this time it is not path. This is what there, set class path is equal to, then what's the location there, no, :/abc semicolon, right? So then after that, if you provide this d:/java 430, then again here we have to use what there, java space test. Again the same process. When we use this command, then what will happen there? First of all, operating system will take java command. Operating system will search for java command in the operating system's internal commands list, and operating system will search for, if it is not available here, then it will search at the locations referred by path environment variable. At path environment variable referred location, java is identified. Operating system will execute the java command. By the execution of the java command, it operate at a c:/java/jdk 1.8.0 location. JVM will come into the picture. Now JVM will come to the command prompt. JVM will take the main class name, whatever the main class name here we provided, that is what the tester. JVM will search for tester.class file at three locations. Tell me again, what are the three locations? No, first one is what there, current location. Second one is what there, Java predefined library. Third one is what there, at the locations referred by class path environment variable. At the locations referred by class path environment variable. Got it or not? Okay, now tell me, at a class path environment variable referred location, already we set this location, am I right or not? All right, so I think I forgot to give here. :/abc is already available or not? At a class path environment variable location, :/abc is available or not? Now JVM will come to :/abc location. There JVM will search for a tester.class file. Now tester.class file is exist or not existed? Come on, sir. Tester.class file is identified or not? Okay, assume it. Tester.class file may be identified by JVM either at the current location or at the locations referred by class path, wherever it may be. Finally, JVM identified this tester.class file or not? Then immediately what JVM will do now, JVM will load test class bytecode to the memory. Data class file contains what their bytecode. JVM will load test class bytecode to the memory. That is called as what their class loading. That is called as what their class loading. JVM will load test class bytecode to the memory. That is what their class loading. Okay, fine. After loading class bytecode to the memory, JVM will search for main method in the loaded test class. JVM will search for what method there? Main method in the loaded test class. All right. For example, if main method is not available in the loaded test class, if main method is not available in the loaded test class, no, then immediately JVM will provide some exception or maybe some error. What's that exception here? Observe carefully. Now here, Java 6 version. Up to Java 6 version. What's that exception here we are getting there? Java.lang. No such method found. Error. No such method found error. Okay. Java.lang. No such method found error. That is what their main. Up to which version of the Java? Java 6 version. Right from Java 7 version, now here we are able to get an error. What is that error here? Error, main method not found in a class test. Please define the main method. Please define the main method as. Then in the next line, it's asking like what there, public static void main string array of, like this. Here we are able to get some message. Right, from which version of the Java there? Java 7 version. We are getting a message like what there? Main method not found in class test. Please define the main method as public static void main string array args. These are the data here what we are getting clearly. All of you are following or not? That's it. Fine, sir. For example, okay, if main method is not available in the loaded class, this is a scenario. In the case, if main method is available in the loaded class, if main method is existed in the loaded class, then what we have to do? Then immediately JVM will create a thread to execute main method. JVM will create a thread to execute main method. What is this thread actually? Thread is nothing but flow of execution. Thread is what there? Flow of execution. Observe carefully. JVM will create a thread to execute main method. Get my point or not? All right, sir. JVM will create a thread to execute main method. The thread is a flow of execution. Whatever the thread that JVM has created to execute main method, the thread which has been created to execute main method, that thread is called as what their main thread. That thread is called as what their main thread. Right. Whenever main thread is created, immediately main thread is executing the total main method. Main thread is executing what that? The total main method. Even 1000 number of finish sections are available inside the main method. All 1000 number of finish sections are executed by that main thread. Main thread can execute the total main method. Whatever the instructions we have provided inside this main method, every instruction will be executed by that thread. Finally executed, that instructions are executed. So by this system.out.println welcome message here we provided there, automatically that welcome message will be displayed here on command prompt because of the system.out.println. All right, and finally when a main thread comes to the ending point of the main method, when a main thread comes to the ending point of the main method, automatically that thread will be terminated. Automatically that thread will be terminated. That thread will come to what state there? Dead state. That thread will come to what state there? Dead state. Observe carefully. Whenever thread is in dead state, no, JVM will understand program execution is totally completed. Then JVM will go for shutdown mode. Directly JVM will go to what there? Shutdown. JVM is not going to be existed, then it will go for what there? Shutdown. You know, that's it. This is exactly the total execution process here we can understand. Right, sir. Understand this clearly. I'm going to explain one more time the total part here. Now try to understand this part clearly. All right, sir. First of all, now tell me, all of you observe carefully. We compiled our program. We thought of it. Main class dot class file is available at d:/Java 430 location. That is compilation process that we completed. Next, we want to execute the program. To execute the program, what we have to do there? First of all, go to the location where our Java file is existed. Go to the location where our main class dot class file is available. As per our assumption, tester dot class file is available where d:/Java 430 location. Okay. Then open the command prompt, go to the location d:/Java 430. There we have to use the command Java space test. That command here we have to use Java space test. Observe carefully. When we go with the Java space test command on a command prompt, then what next one here? After that, no, then immediately operating system will take this Java command. Operating system will search for the Java command in its operating system's internal commands list. If it is not available, then it will come to what their path environment variable referred locations. In the path environment variable, referred locations are what their first location, second location, and third location. Third location is what their Java software. Then it will come to what their C Java JDK 1.8.0, then /bin. Inside the Java command is existed. When Java command is existed here, operating system will execute the Java command. By the execution of the Java command, automatically JVM software will be activated. Automatically, which software will be activated there? JVM software will be activated. When JVM software is activated, then JVM will come to the command prompt. JVM will take the main class name. What is that main class name? What we provided here? Test. Then JVM will search for its a dot class file. JVM will search for what there? It's a dot class file. Observe carefully. All right, sir. Where JVM will search for its dot class file? Three locations it able to check. What are the three locations? No. First one is like what their current location from where we are executing our Java program. That is d:/Java 430. Second one is what there? Java predefined library. Current location, and second one is what there? Java predefined library. Then third location is what there? Locations referred by class path environment variable. If our required tester.class file is not available at all three locations, if the tester.class file is not available at all three locations, immediately JVM will provide some exception related message. What is that exception related message we are getting there? Observe carefully. Now that is what there. Right, sir. Java 6 up to Java 6 version. Java.lang. No class def found error : test. Right, sir. Right from Java 7 version, what we are getting there? Error : could not find or load main class test. That we are getting there. For example, we know already where the tester.class file is available. That is not available at all three locations. No. But I know the location where tester.class file is available. Where it is available? E:/ABC. In this location, tester.class file is available. I know that, but it is not available at three locations now. Then immediately what I have to do? I have to tell this information to the JVM. My tester.class file is available in this particular location, not available at a different location. I have to give that information to the JVM. To give that information to the JVM, what we have to do there? Simply we have to set a class path environment variable. There we have to set what there? Class path environment variable. There I have written the command like what there? Set the class path is equal to, set a class path is equal to E:/ABC location. Set a class path is equal to E:/ABC semicolon. This location, this one here we are providing clearly. Yes, sir. All of you get my point or not? Then whenever we provide it like this, set a class path is equal to E:/ABC. No, again when we use the Java space tester, again entire process will be repeated. Again JVM will come to what their class path environment variable referred locations, where JVM will identify what their tester.class file. Anyway, finally JVM find what their identifies what their tester.class file, either at the current location or at the locations referred by class path environment variable. Finally, JVM identifies what their tester.class file. When JVM identifies the tester.class file, when JVM identifies this tester.class file, then immediately what JVM will do now? JVM will load the tester class bytecode to the memory. JVM will load what their tester class bytecode to the memory. When JVM is loading tester class bytecode to the memory, immediately JVM will search for main method. JVM will search for main method. In the case if main method is not available, in the case if main method is not available in the loaded main class, immediately what JVM will do now? JVM will provide some message. What message is it able to provide there? Up to Java 6 version, java.lang. No such method error : main. That's it. Now here this is not available. This is not available. Observe carefully. Just exception is what there? Java.lang. No such method error : main. That's it. No, found is not available. No such method error : main. Right from Java 7 version, what message here we are getting there? Now tell me. That message would be, all right, sir. Error : main method not found in class test. Main method not found in class test. Please define the main method as public static void main string array args. Main method not found in class test. Please define the main method as a public static void main string array args. That's it. Now this is what exactly the message we are getting. For example, if main method is available in the main class, if main method is available in the main class, immediately JVM will create a thread to execute this main method. That thread is called as what their main thread. Immediately JVM will create a thread to execute main method. The thread is what their main thread. When main thread is coming to the main method, when main thread is coming to the main method, then main thread will execute the total main method. In the execution of this main method, if any system.out.println statements are available, they will display some data on the command prompt. System.out.println statements mainly for displaying data on command prompt only. All right, sir. When main thread comes to the ending point of the main method, automatically that thread will come to which state? No, data state. Main thread, when main thread comes to the end of the, that comes to the, like what there, end of the main method, the thread will come to the data state. When the main thread is in a data state, JVM understood that the total application execution is completed. Immediately JVM will go for what their shutdown mode. That's it. This is what exactly the total flow of execution we can understand clearly. Yes, sir. All of you are getting it or not? All right, sir. Now observe this clearly. I want to show practically each and every point. Whatever the points can be shown up to now, whatever the points can be understood there, I want to show every point in practically and try to understand this now. First of all, delete star.java. So many Java files I have written there. Delete star.back. Delete star.class. That's okay, fine. Everything, no dot class file is available. No Java file is available. Just open this dir. What do we have there? Have you seen any .java file here? Have you seen any .java file here? No .java file is available. Nothing else. Everything I deleted there. Okay, fine. Even here also, right, sir. No Java file is existed at present here. All right, sir. Observe carefully. Then after that, no Java file is existed here. Okay, fine. Let's see this one. I want to close this. Okay, this diagram here I will use that. Now, what I will do there in the command prompt, I want to open that fresh command prompt now. Observe carefully. Let me go for the location cd java 430. Now here, what I will do there, directly I want to execute this program. First of all, let me check it. What version of the Java I'm using there? Java 6 version. So as of now, tester.class file is not available with me. Okay, now here, understand this. Java space tester. What we are getting there? Observe carefully. Java.lang. No class def found error here we are getting or not? Java.lang. No class def found error colon tester. In which version of Java here we are getting this one? Java 6 version. For example, I want to use Java 7 version. What is this Java version here? Java 7 version. Java space test. See this message, no? Error colon could not find or load main class test. Same thing I shown in the diagram here. In Java 6 version, java.lang. No class def found error colon test. In Java 7 version, error colon could not find or load main class test. Messages here we are getting. Okay. Now I want to prepare a Java file. Now I want to prepare what there? A Java file where test is a class name here I'm going to take, but where I don't want to use like what there main class. Main method is not available. That is ABC method. Main method is not existed. That is what there ABC method. Now here system.out.println of first Java application. Just I want to write it. Now let me save this. Now this is like what there tester.java. All of you observe carefully what I'm telling now. Now here inside this main, that means tester.java file is available, but where main method is not available. Let me check Java 6 version now. Java C space tester.java. Compiled successfully, but main method is not available. Java space tester. Observe carefully. Java.lang. No such method error colon main or not. This exception we are getting when main method is not identified. Got it or not? Alright, sir. For example, I want to check with Java 7 version. In Java 7 version, Java C space tester.java. Compiled successfully. Java space tester. Observe carefully. Different error we are able to get. What's the error message we are getting there? Error colon main method not found in class test. Please define the main method as public static void main string array args. Same thing I shown in the diagram. In Java 6 version, java.lang. No such method error colon main. Right. Java 7 version onwards, error colon main method not found in class test. Please define the main method as a public static void main string array args that we are getting now. Got it or not? All right, sir. Then after that, after completion of this, another point here I'm telling to you. For example, this time here we are having like what their main method. When main method is available, then what we have to do there? Java C space tester.java. Compiled successfully Java space tester. First Java application, that output here we are getting. Okay, for example, delete star dot class. Leave this one. Observe carefully. Another point here. E drive ABC. Something is available. I want to delete this. Observe carefully what I am telling to you. Tester class, main class available. Right, sir. Java C -d E:/ABC space tester dot Java. Tell me guys, all of you know where tester dot class file is going to be generated, at which location, what is the target location? E:/ABC, not at current location. So there we can check for it. E:/ABC tester dot class file is available or not? Nice. If I execute the program now, what we are able to get, error we are getting there. Could not find or load main class test. But where it is available actually, it's available what their other location. So to make available that location to the JVM, what we have to do? We need to set what their class path environment variable. Set a class path is equal to E:/ABC semicolon. What we have to do there? Set a class path is equal to E:/ABC semicolon. Click on this. Now here, Java space tester. Here we are getting output. So by using this statement, set a class path is equal to E:/ABC, we are telling to the JVM, my dot class file is available in this location. Come here and take the dot class file. To give that message only, here we set this class path environment variable. Set a space class path is equal to E:/ABC semicolon. That's enough. This is the entire flow of execution and practical view what we have discussed there so far. Right? That's okay, fine. All right, so then after that, here I given already this diagram now. Okay, then let me take this diagram. Total diagram I provided here, but the remaining part is what there. I have to give some description, some document here I have to prepare there. Understand it clearly. Document here I have to prepare so that we are able to complete this total execute Java application there, right? So the document I'll prepare in the next class. I'll prepare this document in the next class. The total, whatever the cases here I shown there, everything I want to prepare in the next class, right? So almost all that 5:45. Then take some break. Then come for 6 o'clock class there. Then we are going to discuss about object orientation. And one more thing, today 6 o'clock class is there. I will take the 6 to 7:30 class. Tomorrow Sunday, right? 4:30 class I will not take on tomorrow. But tomorrow 6 o'clock class is available. 6 to 7:30 class available, but 4:30 class is not available. On Monday again, I'll restart the classes there. That means 4:30 to 6, I'm going to take what there? Some other new topic I'm going to take now. Yes, sir, got it or not? What is that new topic I'm going to take there? Language fundamentals I want to take. language fundamentals, basics. That means if conditions and how to write while loops and for loops, all this type of examples I'm going to do there. On Monday onwards, we are going to start. So anyway, then take then 10 to 15 minutes break and come back at 6 o'clock. We are going to start our content here now. Right. Thank you. Yeah, Atharu drop. Just guys, then if any of you wants to get notes for this class there, yeah, already I think so. Already given that notes link. Now this is a notes link here we can use. This is a notes link. Take this notes and we can utilize this. Okay. Atharva, DARPA. Take this. This is a link for notes.